What's happening, y'all? It's Fabrication and then some. So let me show you what we got going on here, right? I'm trying to fix this arm on my for my indicator. It's a magnetic base, and apparently it's missing a piece to it. So we're gonna make one of these out of some steel, just to be able to press against these and push it together where all of them lock. Because we're not having a problem with this arm locking. We're having a problem with the arm off of the base locking and staying put, because it's wanting to drop. So what it is that I believe we're missing one of these that push on all of it, because this is pushing on the back, right, and causing this to lock. Okay, but there's no piece from the handle going in to push on this side, which goes in here like so on this end. There's no piece on this side. When that tightens down, it's just pulling it into each other, and this isn't having nothing putting no, on it. So, and this actually goes on this side and this side, right? And that the other arm goes in this side like this, and there's a flat piece that goes on this side that's got a D-ring on it like this, and it goes through the back end of here. It will go like that. Okay, then this one goes like that, and then this goes into the other one, and that piece goes up against here. But then there's no piece on this side. It's just screwing it and pulling all this in together, when that should put a piece, push on a piece as it pulls on it, also push on a piece into this, and it locks it all together, so it won't move, right? And I believe that's what it's missing when it does that. So I'm going to make a piece to put in there, and we're going to cut, we're going to cut it out of this. We're going to drill our hole, cut our 50-degree radius angle on the front of it, cut it off at 320 thousandths, and there we go. We're going to cut a little bigger than 325. We're going to put it back in the lathe on the other side and face it all flat. Soup. The part that we already flattened on this side is going to be the part that's sticking out. We're going to put the 50-degree radius on. Alright? And then actually, guys, here's the arm right here. The other end of it. It don't have the piece that goes through here, and there's a knob that goes on the end of that, right? So we're going to make that piece to go in here. Alright? But then we got this piece here, and this is actually two pieces. This is the outer piece, right? It's like this, and this will be the inner piece, like your hinge. And as y'all can see, let me see here. Okay, that's a little better. Now, as you can see here, we can squeeze it in there if we really, but you see what I'm talking about there? It's really tight, and we don't want it to bind like that. That's too tight, okay? So what we're going to do is this. We're going to skim this out of here down to that line. Then we're going to skim it off just a tad bit more, okay? To where we got a little bit of clearance. And we're going to make it to where these will swing, and then we're going to make them even on the ends. But what we're going to do is we're going to flip it up, because we're going to drill through also through all of this to where we can pin it. Huh? You with it? Stick around. We're going to make it happen, Captain. Love y'all, man. Hey, thank y'all for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you're sticking in there, I hope you do, because I think this is going to get interesting. Hit that subscribe button for me, man. Hey, we're almost to 1,000 subscribers, man. You guys are amazing, and I really appreciate each and every one of y'all. I kind of deviated from the videos for a second. I got hooked into the lives, but we're back, baby. Let's get it. Hey, thumbs up, huh? Thumbs up to each and every one of y'all, man. Hey, I love y'all. Y'all are amazing. Don't stop doing what you're doing. Know that your greatness is shining through. Let's do it. Atkins Fabrication and some. Be back in just a second. All right, y'all. Welcome back. Let's get into it. We got a couple salads got to come up off of here. Let's get into it. You know, around here, we ain't scared. Can y'all see that? That is 485,000. We got another 15 to come off of there. It's got to be 470. So let's go. We're not going to rob ourselves of this. Let's take this and we're going to take our measurement. This is going to we're going to zero ourselves out as soon as we get to the end of this. Ready? I should have did it from the beginning. But we'll still know if it moves at all. Alright? Zero. Okay? Now. Check it one more time here, guys, just to be on the safe side, okay, because we just took a couple thou off of it. We don't want to go over here. We want this to kiss and hugs. What do we got? All right, 75. Oh, we was at 490 before. What am I talking? It's 75, 85, 84. We are at 484. Okay? Now. Take a 3, so that's 6. So it was 89 minus 3 is 86. 86. 75. And 6. That's 80 watt. Okay. Oh, sorry about that. Leg of it's close to my head here. Alright, we're at 70. We got 5 more. Should be about it. Let's see here. So 75, 2 more thou. Right there, I'm telling you, I got this feeling in my bones. It might be too small. I don't think so though. I only took a thou off. Let's see. Hold on, man. That's cool. We're only a thou under. I'll take that. Maybe a thou and a half. That ain't bad still. I'm gonna take that. I don't know how I did that. I mean, it was just 2 thou over. I only took a thou off. That's it. That's how I was holding the mics wrong. Damn it. I should have checked that a couple times. Boom. Freak chicken ring. Bye right. Yeah. Alright. Alright. 75. 475. I'm going to take that. We're going to go with that right there. We're going to flick that right up off of there. I mean, yeah, it can't be all that wrong, bro. I mean, if you look at it, it's about that thick, right? Look at that. It might be just a tad bit over that thing. But anyway, that's about right. So I'm going to drill my hole through, which is going to be a little bit bigger than this. But I'm going to drill my hole through it. Fliggy, fliggy, wiggy, wiggy. You heard me. You heard. Yeah. Alright, so chitty bang, 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 chitty bang, bang, boom, boom. Now, what we got to do is, we got to drop this back. We got to, that ain't enough. Get this off of there. Free chicken wing, fried rice. But okay, now back this off. Take that out of there. Put that up there. Put this over here. We're gonna have to get the wrench to this. Back this off. Just a hair bit. Iggy, iggy. We already got our drill bit in there. Free chicken wing with the fried rice. There we go. Bugs. There we go. Now they just went a different way. He'll land on me. Little piece of crap. I hate it when it stops raining, dude. Because now all the bugs are going to come out. Don't worry about it, though. You're going to lock that door. Free chicken wing. Rah. I should have did it further than that. It's going to stop quick. plenty of ways through there. Whoa. I just want to see how far it is. Green chicken wing, fried rice. Green chicken wing, fried rice. I got that song stuck in my head now. Probably gonna get a copyright infringement for it. Damn it. I hope not. Sorry about that, bro. Your song is awesome. It's really just stuck in my head from seeing the daggone things of it all the time. You see, I want to do this. Before I put that 50-degree radius on it so it's flat. Okay? Now, when I put that radius over there, it'll stay. I ain't gotta mess with that no more. It's flat. All I want to do to that now, right? There's only one thing I really want to do to that now. I want to take this, pull it back straight again. Bang this off of there. Put this back in place for now. Grab this here. Put it on the end. Right? Let me show y'all my idea here with this. Can I do it? Might not be able to do it. There we go. Take that edge off of there. Good. Let's do this one more time though with this. Okay. There we go. Now, we'll put our, water in there. We're good to go. Huh? What'd you say? Hey, baby. Little right there. How does that look like that? Looks like it's got like that. There we go. We'll leave it like that. And then we'll put our little 50-degree thing over there. Sorry about that. Gotta get the air, y'all, in the way. Alright, now we have to figure out how we gonna hold this bad boy, and then we gonna do our thing. So give me a second, y'all. I'll be back in a minute. If you like what you see, subscribe for me. If you really like what you see and you want to support the channel any further and you've already subscribed, think about the Patreon. You get a whole lot more detail. This video will be in full length the way that it is. I'll be saving it so I can upload that all that to Patreon the way that it is. The straight shooting. All this mess. No edit. I love y'all. I thank y'all for all the support. Yous are amazing. You know it. You know. I ain't gotta tell you. You know it. Video. Be back in just a minute. I love machining, dude. I would love to turn this into my full-time job if I could. But right now, I literally know it's not possible. So, with that being said, let's max it out to the fullest that we can do. I ain't one that just gives up, yo. Let's Let's make it carbon carbon. As they would settle up with the Vippity, hey. Together with Disney, a wonderful way. Hey. No, I'm playing. I don't do no Disney. Let's go 3. Looky there. Don't that look fair, huh? Really where? Yep, it is right there. Ooh, pretty. That thing is pretty.
Perfection.
Anyway.
President of the United States on the line again? Oh, wow. Oh, nice. Okay. All right. Hello.
Oh! Old snapperoo, huh? You gonna do the old snapperoo on me, are you? Told you I gotta get camera equipment. Straight off the back of the lane. Good shot. Alright, we're right back in there. We should be able to edit that. Alright, pause. Well, once we
Either
get that
one,
off
I
right
was
there,
wrong, and,
once we get
there
that
was
off
filling,
right there,
and maybe the
that
dipstick
ugly,
wouldn't go down all
we'll
the way
put it in
because
the
it's
mill
broken,
and we're going to cut a
but
key
either
out of that.
couldn't get it shoved down, or two.
let that bad boy cool for a minute. I gotta get up to this bus, but I want to do a quick little rundown on what I did so far. See this? Be a little hard. But I trimmed the hand. I should have made a video on it, and I wasn't paying attention when I did it, so. See that? And we can flip it up and flip it down. Now what we're going to do is, this end, we're going to grab it like this and run a 45-degree angle there and down this edge here on both of these earpieces before we drill it through. So it flips easier. But we're only going to do one side, okay? And this we're just going to leave the way it is. We're going to take it down maybe just another tad bit. Take a skim coat off of it. And then we're going to flip them up in the vise so we can drill down them. And then we're going to make them flush on these sides, the width of them. Because as you see, when we put them together, see that? They're uneven as hell. We're going to even that up. That's all. Oh, yeah, we're going to even that up. And we finished with the one that was in there. It is now right here. So when we're done cutting that, we're going to take this and put it in the vise on a 50 degree angle. Boom. And skim the top of that off of there. Take that top off, and then we'll cut it. And that'll be that. Crazy. Alright, so anyway guys, I just wanted to show you what the daily was, though. That's what we're doing though. So, but on the next go around, I'm going to make a video of it. I just wanted to give you a quick little tutorial of what I did today when I stopped by. Because I wasn't here that long. I was only here for about an hour, maybe 2 at the most. And I had to sit down and take my medication because I was running late. So, by the time I got my medication in me and got up and got moving, it's about time to get out there, get that bike unchained, and get on up there to the bus before it gets here. So I appreciate you guys. I love you. Agates Fabrication, then some. Pete here. I'm always the most for y'all. Y'all the greatest in the world, man. Y'all are part of the Machinist Corner. Let's do it, baby. I'll see you soon. I'm out. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy what you see. What you seen. I'll see you on the next video. Stay tuned. Plug back in. Make sure you look out for the live and join the community. I really appreciate you. If you want to support it any further, go on over to the Patreon and become a watcher. I love each and every one of y'all. God bless. See you next time.